ako lang ba or nasubukan mo na rin sumagot ng, sige lang, may baon ako eh. Tuwing mag-aaya yung office mates mo na mag-lunch out? Well, may baon naman talaga ako pero ang totoo nun, nagtitipid ako. I was just too embarrassed to admit it. Bakit nga ba tayo nahihiyang aminin na nagtitipid tayo? Is it because baka malabel tayong kuripot? Baka maging left out tayo? Alam niyo yun, there's just too much stigma about frugality. Pero looking back, I can proudly say na nagtipid ako dati kasi hindi naman ako makakarating kung nasan ako ngayon kung hindi ko yung ginawa noon. Having those experiences in the past taught me na wala namang nakakaya sa pagtitipid. So now, when I'm working with my financial coaching clients, one of the exercises that we do is to define the motivation kung bakit sila magtitipid. One of the most common reasons is necessity. Simple lang, kung hindi ka magtitipid, pwedeng may mga bills na hindi ka mabayaran. Another reason is saving for spending. It could be an immediate goal like gusto mong mag-out of the country travel or long-term like buying a house. Or it could simply be just who you are. Matipid ka lang talaga at walang masama doon. You just enjoy having that safety net because it brings you peace of mind.